A moment of silence. A moment of silence for Fliffy. She did not make it home alive. She passed away. She's gone now. Say her condolences. The great cat is gone. She's gone. But she'll always remain in our hearts. She's a good cat. I'm going to miss her. She was a great cat. Her name was Fliffy. She's gone now. She's old and she passed away. She's gone. She passed away. The cat is gone. I'm going to miss Fliffy. I'm going to miss her. She's a good cat. I'm going to miss her. She's the best cat. You may not think she's the best, but she's nice. She's kind. She doesn't bite at all. She's a good cat. She doesn't scratch. She never does scratch. She is one good cat. She doesn't hiss. She's quiet. She's a good cat. All understanding. Very nice cat. And she's gone now. She's dead. America's best cat that ever lived has passed away. She's gone. Goodbye, Fliffy. I'm not kidding you. You may not see her dead body, but she is gone. She's gone. She was a good cat. Really good cat. And I miss her. And too bad we didn't make too many videos of her, but she didn't like being on camera that much. She's like, what is this thing? Every time I hold up this tablet and try to take a video of her, she didn't like that. She don't like being on camera. So I just leave her be. She's a good cat. Now she's gone. She's a really good cat. So it's a shame that the cat is gone. Fliffy is gone. I'm going to miss her. I miss her right now. I really do. I'm going to probably get another cat, maybe. But I just don't know. I don't know. There's no other animal I could get but a cat. Or I could get a goat farm going. That'd be fun to have, a goat farm. But goat farms, goats, it's too much. I'd rather have a cat. Let's stick with having cats. Cats are good. I like cats. But this cat is gone. And I'm going to remember her forever. I'm going to remember her for forever. Yes. And she's a nice cat. Okay? She's not like your cat. Your cat is always mean. My cat is always nice. She understands. She loves me. And your cat needs to learn from my cat how she lived, how she understands. Your cat can't do that. You can't pass the test. And no other cat can replace Fliffy. Fliffy will go down in history as a cat I will always remember. But for now, she is gone. She passed away at the. She was walking really decrepit, and she's got mites in her ears. She's got these little tiny insect particles in her ear, and I don't think she would outlast any longer. I don't know. Fooey on this. My cat is the best cat that ever lived. I'm not going to talk about Garfield, though. I'm not. Garfield can go suck big black cock far as I care. My cat is the best. Fliffy is... I'm not going to say that because that would offend some people who like Garfield. But, I mean, get it through your heads. Personality-wise, Fliffy, nobody can replace Fliffy. No. She's a good cat. She's a nice, loving, happy, always fun to be around cat. She may not be playful like other cats, but she doesn't grow up with other cats. She grows up with a good home with a human named Corey Fluxtra. She's a good cat. And now she's gone. So I gotta go. I already sent my condolences. So we'll see how many views this video will get. Hopefully y'all know who Fliffy is. You gotta know who Fliffy is. Okay? She's not a missing piece of the puzzle. She's always was there. She's a good cat. And now she's, well, out of the picture. So, she's gone now. I just stopped talking, but, because otherwise, I don't know. I already said something funny. I said something about Garfield sucking whatever. Shouldn't have said that. I'm sorry if you're a hardcore Garfield fan. I'm just telling you that, yeah, so that get yourself a real cat. Just, I don't know what you can do to make sure your cat ends up being a good cat like my cat. Well, good luck with that, because I don't know how I got this cat. This cat was a really good cat. She was nice. So, yeah. So, bye.